Hey guys, if you've been watching my Instagram, you know that we've had a package that's been delayed for quite some time, but hey, it's here now, so I thought I'd do an unboxing for you guys. So let's open up the box and check out what's inside. We have a magazine, we have a sticker, we have our interface, which I've been waiting for a while. Got the standard candy, and a pro gear list. Alright, back to the SSL 2 Plus. So, let's get into some of the facts about it. So basically right here, we have our 48 volts, our line and high Z, with a meter bar, gain knobs, and the legendary 4K, which is basically a modeling of their older consoles, their higher end series. We have a monitor mix for our input versus USB, the master monitor level, with 2 headphone jacks. Comes with 2 USB cables, one C to C and a C to A. Now let's check out what I used to have. So before the 2 Plus, I used to have to plug in an 1/8 inch jack to stereo quarters for my monitors, and I made it work. And now for the new setup.